Today we will discuss the next chapter of 7 CBC, factorization. What is factorization? Factorization of algebraic expression. We are dealing with factorization of algebraic expressions. We already know what are the algebraic expressions. That is monomial, binomial, trinomial, etc. and polynomial. Now further we will discuss factorization about the algebraic expression. What exactly means factorization? For example, this is the number 12. अब इस 12 के फैक्टर एक्चुअली होते क्या है? तो 12 को हम कैसे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं? 2 into 2 into 3. It becomes 12. Hence 2, 2, 3 are the factors of 12. We can say 2, 2 and 3 are the factors of 12. Similarly, if we are having algebraic expression 25x square y, as it is having only one term, that is single term, hence we can say it is a monomial. For factorizing monomial, first we have to factorize 25. First we have to factorize the number. For 25, the prime factors of 25 are 5 into 5. And then we have to find out the factors of x square y. For x square, we can represent x square as x into x, and y is a single, hence we can put it as y. Hence the factor of 25 x square y are 5, 5, x, y. These are the factors of given polynomial. Hence we can say these are the factors of an algebraic expression 25 x square y in terms of monomial. Similarly, in terms of binomial, if we are having a binomial 25 x square y plus 4 x y square, then we have to separately factorize each term. For 25 x square y, we can put the factors as 5 into 5 into x into y. These are the factors of 25 x square y. And for 4, we can represent 4 as a prime factor in terms of prime factor 2 into 2. And x y square we can put, for x as it is single, we have to put once. And for y square we can put y 2 times. Hence the factors of 4xy square are 2 into 2 x y into y. This is called factorization of algebraic expression. In short, factorization means finding two or more terms whose product is the given expression. This process is called factorization. मतलब कोई भी एक algebraic expression है, उसके फैक्टर अगर निकालना है तो दो या दो से ज़्यादा टर्म्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन जो होता है वो एक अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन होता है. इसे कहा जाता है फैक्टराइजेशन. फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ एनी अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन कैन बी कैरीड आउट बाय three methods. First one is by taking a common factor. Second method is by regrouping the terms of expression. And third, by using identities. In short, factorization of any algebraic expression can be carried out by three methods. First method is by taking a common factor. Second method is by regrouping the terms of the expression. And third one is by using the identities. Now we can see in detail one by one all the methods. Now, first we discuss factorization of any algebraic expression by taking a common factor. For this, we have to take one example. If we have two monomials like 9a square b and 12ab, first we have to factorize 9a square b. 9a square b किसी भी मोनोमियल या किसी भी अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन का फैक्टराइजेशन करते समय पहले तो आप उस नंबर का फर्स्ट उसमें जो नंबर अवेलेबल है उसके प्राइम फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करो। 9 के प्राइम फैक्टर्स होते हैं 3 into 3. Now we have to factorize a square. We can put a square as a into a, and for b we can simply write b. Now for 12ab, second expression is 12ab. Now for 12, prime factors of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3. First step, we have to factorize the number first. Now factorize the variables. These are the factors of the given expression. Now we have to find out the common factors first. Here it is 3 is common. Here also 3. We can have 3. Now we have similarly a here and a here also. Similarly we have b and b. Hence we have to simply write 9a square b as 3ab into in bracket 3a. For 12ab we can simply write 3ab remaining into in bracket 4. Hence in both the monomials the common factor is 3ab. 3ab is the common factor. Okay. Now we can discuss one more example for factorization by common factor method. We have the binomial now. This algebraic expression is a binomial. Hence same procedure we have to follow. 4x square y plus 6xy square. We can first write the factors of 4x square y. For 4 we can simply write 4 as the product of two prime numbers, that is 2 into 2. X square we can write x into x, and for y simply we have to put y. Plus here sign is provided plus, so we can write the same sign plus there also. Now 6 is the product of two prime numbers, that is 2 into 3. Similarly x here it is one time, so we put x one time, and y square we have to represent y square as product of y into y. Now we have to take the common factors away from the given position of the problem. Here it is 2. In first term here it is 2. Similarly in second term there is also 2. Hence in first term we have x. In second term again we have x. In first term one more x is there, but x is not available in the second term, so leave it. Similarly here 2, there in second term 2 is not available. Now we have to go for y. Here it is y, we can take the y here from here also. Now we have to take away these variables and numbers from the given expression. 2xy, we remove 2xy like this and make a bracket and keep the remaining number or variable as it is. Here 2x, hence we can write 2x here also. The signs plus, keep it as it is. Now here remaining part is 3y, so we take 3y. Hence our problem is completed. Simply we can write the factors of 4x square y plus 6xy square as 2xy into in bracket 2x plus 3y. This is our required solution. Or in another way we can say 2xy into in bracket 2x plus 3y bracket close is the factor of the given polynomial or algebraic expression. Now we will discuss the second method, factorization of algebraic expression by regrouping the terms. In such type of problems, we have to first example. अब हम देखेंगे first example, that is 2p plus 4pq plus 3 plus 6q. This is our first example. Here, in such type of examples, everybody can solve this problem but different way. तो मैं एक एक तरीके से आपको बता देता हूँ इसको सॉल्व कैसे करना है एक्चुअली. तो फर्स्टली मैं रीग्रुपिंग किस तरह से करता हूँ. फर्स्ट यहाँ पे मैं 4pq लेता हूँ प्लस 2p. सिंपली इसको रीअरेंज कर रहा हूँ मैं 6q प्लस 3. सेकंड स्टेप, प्राइम फैक्टर इसके नोट डाउन करो. क्या आएगा, 4 का प्राइम फैक्टर आएंगे 2 इंटू 2. सिमिलरली p इंटू q plus 2p we can simply write 2 into p plus for 6q we can write 3 into 2 into q plus 3. Now we have to carry out grouping. Before that we have to take the common factors. In first two terms we have to check which factors are the common. Here it is 2. Similarly here also 2. Here it is p. Here also p. So we can take out the 2p. Remaining is 2q plus here whole 2p go outside. Hence here nothing is balanced. So we can simply put 1. Similarly for this, for last two terms we have to check first the common factors. Here the common factor is only 3. Sign you have to put same sign as above. Here only 3 is common, so we can take out the common 3. We have to place the remaining terms in the bracket. Here remaining is 2q. Sign is plus. Here nothing is balanced, hence we have to put 1. Now from this expression we have the common factor or common expression is 2q plus 1. Here also 2q plus 1. We have to take out the 2q plus 1 outside. 2q plus 1 outside. And in another bracket, similarly as we done the above, remaining part we have to put in second bracket. Here, after removing 2q plus 1, the balance part is 2p. Hence, we have to put 2p here. The sign we have to put as it is. Here, 2q plus 1 we remove from this place. Then remaining is 3. Simply we have to put 3. That is factorization of algebraic expression by regrouping the terms. Simply we take the common factors from the given expression and we obtain one bracket which is common in both the terms or expressions. Then in second term we group the bracket similarly taken out and the remaining we have to put in another bracket. This method is called regrouping the terms. We will discuss how to solve the same problem as per the given situation. अब यहाँ पे सेम प्रॉब्लम है, मैं दूसरी मेथड से सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ. अगर कोई कहता है मैं इस प्रॉब्लम को कुछ अलग तरीके से सॉल्व कर सकता हूँ तो कर सकते हैं आप, क्योंकि इसमें सिंपली आगे फर्स्ट मेथड तो सेम ही फैक्टर निकालना है. 2p के फैक्टर आएगा 2p. सिमिलरली 4p की फैक्टर आएगी 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3 इंटू q. सिमिलरली 3 we have to put as it is. For 6q we have to put 6 as product of prime factors 3 and 2 and simply we have to put it as it is. Now from second step we have to check the common factors for first two terms. Here 2p is common. Similarly here also we have 2p. Then we have to remove this 2p from this place. Then we have to make the bracket and here we remove 2p. Nothing is balanced. Then we have to put 1. Same sign we have to put here. Here from this expression or this term we remove 2p. Then balance is 2q. Hence we have to write 2q here. Then sign plus as it is. Now for last two terms, here it is 3 and here also we are having 3 as common. Then we have to take common number outside and put the remaining in the bracket. Here we already removed 3 from their place. Nothing is balanced. Then we have to put 1. Okay. Put the sign plus as it is. Now, remaining from here, this term, we remove only 3. The balance is 2. Okay. We put 2 as is. Now, second. Now, in this expression, we are having the bracket common. That is 1 plus 2 is 1 plus 2 is. Same method we have to follow as in first step. You have to take common as 1 plus 2 is.